So I'm here in sunny zone 8, North Carolina. And yeah, not very sunny today. None of the animals have ever seen snow, so I thought I'd do a little video to see how they react to it. So I'm starting with my magpie ducks, and they came right out the door, and they're now hiding over in the corner because they don't want to walk on it. And they're kind of looking out. They're very suspicious. I think Mr. Gray looks disappointed, but not enough to go into his house. Let's see how Tiny and company feel. Hey guys, want to come outside? Okay, usually they cannot wait to hop down the ramp. That's a no. That's a definite no way. See how Handsome feels about it. He's a little perturbed. Nope, he's turning around and going back in. The bluebells, who are officially hens now that they laid their first egg the other day. We have some pretty little blue eggs coming in. Let's see how they like it. Well, she came out. She went underneath where there's no snow. The other one is not coming out. That's a no for her. One maybe, one no. Let's see how Smokey, Bandit, and Dove feel about the snow. What do you think, guys? It's snowing. What do you think? I think there's a lot of suspicion. A lot of suspicion. Oh, yep, that's a no. And we've got a little suspicion, All right, we'll walk on it. Or not, no, maybe we won't walk on it. We'll walk over here. Nope, nothing's gonna stop us. We are running to the end of our paddock no matter what. All right. The Goose Gang will take it. So except for this group, it was a big thumbs down. No one liked the snow. And the geese, I don't know if they really like it, but they're not letting it stop them from enjoying their day. So overall, they are glad that they are North Carolina babies. Lots of sun and usually a lot of warmth.